Here we are demonstrating solar powered water surface cleaning robots bot application with IoT controlling. So the system consists of mainly ESP32 camera and obstacle detection. While moving in a obstacle detected will stops its movement, and video surveillance we are using the ESP32 camera, and the bot controlling will be done with the help of Arduino Uno board, which will take the input from the ESP32 camera and controlling the bots along with belt controlling. So like if it's any garbage is there detected, then the system will control the belt, but manually we are going to send the information to that, and the collected garbage will be placed into this trash, and when the trash is filled, that will be detected by this IR sensor, and it will indicate it in our mobile phone directly from where we are going to controlling the bot movement. So obstacle distance continuously monitoring, path clear or obstacle detected will be monitoring on the same phone along with the video surveillance, and the trash status. So the bot controlling the forward, backward, left, right with the help of the 10 RPM 12 volt DC motors, and the belt also attached to the 10 RPM 12 volt DC motor. So the whole system getting power supply from this lithium ion battery pack we are using. Inside this we are using the lithium ion battery pack, so which will get the power supply from the solar power directly. So whenever the sunlight is not available, we can charge the battery with the help of the transformer, and for that, so before demonstration, keep the battery under charging at least of 3 hours. So till the duration on this, connect the transformer to the 230 volts AC input, the power socket, and disconnect the solar panel from there and connect this as we shown here, right? So once we on the power supply to the transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, that is input to the battery pack. So we should keep the battery for charging at least 3 hours, and while demonstration of the project, disconnect the transformer and connect the solar panel over here. And the next, back to the mobile phone settings, as we need to on the hotspot in your phone. So for that we need to configure the hotspot name, and we need to install the network analyzer application. So this one is the network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store. Install this application, and then after go to hotspot settings of your phone. Configure the hotspot name to project 8039 without any space, without any capital letter. Password 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz and security WPA2. These 4 settings should be done as we shown here. So this is very important, no capital letters and no space. So after that, on the hotspots, now on the power supply to the kits. So once we on the power supply, so we need to press and hold the reset switch. This Arduino reset switch will be there. Just press and hold that till we can see the one device is connected. After seeing the one device connected, now release the switch. Otherwise, it will keep on executing the junk values, so the bot will move. So after we seeing the one device connected, restart the Arduino. Now go to network analyzer application, options, LAN scan here. So we get the 2 IP address. One is our mobile phone IP address, and there is a kit. So just click on this and directly open this. So we are going to get the video streaming directly from our ESP32 camera, and also distance of the object. You can see that. So when the distance of the object is below 40 centimeters, we can see the alert here. You can the obstacle detected, and the distance is 40 centimeters below. Now no obstacle, path is clear. Trash also normal status. When the trash is filled, so we'll get the alert here, trash got filled. So the bot movement will be done forward, backward, and the left side, and also we are going to on the belt on, headlight on, and belt on, headlight off. Right. Of course, the trash which was collected from this conveyor belt, so will be placed here. Right. So when the trash got filled, so just we are placing the trash manually over there. So when it is filled, when the IR sensor detected, then we can see the trash got filled here. Right. So headlight on off to this, and belt on off. So belt off, and stop movement and backward left right. Thank you.